welcome to the math part of today. We are going to be continuing to learn about rounding today and rounding in word problems. Unlike yesterday where we learned about word problems that just specifically asked us to round an amount, today we're going to start working in rounding with operations. So I need you to pay close attention to my example and then try to apply it to the Schoology assessment after the video. Let's get started. Okay, today we're going to talk about rounding in word problems when we have to do an operation. Yesterday we talked about word problems where they just ask us to round or estimate, but today we're going to have to do one where there's a little bit more extra work. When you're doing a word problem that requires rounding, the very most important rule is that you round first and then you solve. As I'm sure you all know by now, when you round something, you get lots of zeros at the end. And that makes your math super easy. And that makes your math super easy to solve, right? Because zeros are the easiest number to add together or multiply or divide or subtract because they always just end up being zero again. Okay, so always remember, round first, then solve. Okay, so this just kind of reiterates that point. If you were going to take this problem, 678 plus 729, and round it first, you would get 700 plus 700, and that's super easy to round. You would get 1,400. But if you went through this and you added them together first, you would have to regroup and carry, and eventually you would get 1,470 or 1,407, and then you could round it to 1,400. But it was so much faster to do it this way because look at these zeros, making it so nice and easy to round. Okay, so if you remember anything from this video, remember, you always round first and then you solve the problem when you're working in a rounding problem. Here is your example for today. It says Emery eats 49 dog biscuits in 1 week and 52 dog biscuits the next week. About how many dog biscuits did she eat altogether? Again, about is our keyword. It's going to tell us that we are going to estimate or round the amount of dog biscuits that she ate altogether. Okay, so I'm going to set up my problem, 49 plus 52, but I know it's about, so before I even solve anything, I'm going to round my 49 to 50 and my 52 to 50, so that I get 50 plus 50 equals 100. And then I write my answer as a good math sentence. Emery ate about, I brought the about down, 100 dog biscuits all together. Good job, y'all. You've made it through the instructional part of the video. Now it's time for you to go to Rounding Check-In on the Schoology page. Once you complete the rounding check-in, you are going to listen to a Wonder read aloud and then respond to the Wonder check-in. I'll see you there. Bye.